Live look from Pueblo County on our Viera wireless camera there. You almost see some kind of sun streaks peeking through the clouds there. Boy, I can't remember the last time I saw a pure shot of the sun unobstructed from haze and smoke. I'm starting to miss it.
Yeah, it's been a while, hasn't it?
Yep.
Your eyes start to burn, kind of feel like you have some sort of cold. At least I do. Storm Tracker 13 Chief Meteorologist Mary Matthews has a check on that smoke and when we might see some clearing out there, Mary.
Yeah, it was a little bit clearer today in some locations, but certainly not all. We still have a lot of dense smoke in place across the Front Range. You'll notice here our view from Cheyenne Mountain. Actually, yesterday we couldn't even see the horizon, so that just kind of goes to show you it's a bit milder today, but it's still not completely gone. Our WireNet camera showing you that view overlooking downtown Colorado Springs from Cheyenne Mountain. A couple showers and storms developing here across the Sangre de Cristos, parts of the Wet Mountains. Look how slow moving these showers and storms are. That is going to pose a concern for the YMCA burn scar, which the rain is now moving right over that burn scar area. This is just west of Canyon City, so this is going to bear monitoring over the next 30 to 45 minutes, especially as that hydrophobic ground starts to really endure some pounding rains across the area. So if you live downwind of the burn scar, just be vigilant and stay weather aware. We could get some flash in those locations in the next hour or so. The smoke and fire product still shows most of the dense smoke across the I-25 corridor in the eastern plains. It's actually a little bit lighter across the high country where those major fires are still burning, but due to the increase in wind across the eastern plains, it has helped to clear us out just a little bit today, but still making for some poor air quality in some locations. Notice we take you get a brief little break in the air quality concerns tomorrow. It's still going to be hazy across the area, so I'm not saying you're going to wake up with a beautiful view of the mountains by any means, but tomorrow afternoon, due to that increase in wind speed and also the chance for some isolated downpours into the afternoon hours, we'll have a good chance for some clearing across the area to help flush out some of the smoke. It's just going to return Wednesday night into Thursday, but a better chance for completely eradicating the smoke will come on Friday. I'll get to that in just a few moments. For now, walk you hour by hour. Temperatures in the 80s and 90s for the Pikes Peak region tomorrow. 100s across the eastern plains. First half of the day is nice and dry. Slow moving downpours across the high country are still prevalent after 2 o'clock and then pushing across the Pikes Peak region and parts of southern Lincoln County into the evening time frame. And very heavy rain here across the San Luis Valley will be likely. You go through about a 3 to 4 hour period and those storms just don't move all that much. So the flash flooding concerns will still be in the forecast for Wednesday afternoon. A lot of these storms coming to an end not until about midnight. Thursday, 90s to low 100s yet again. Hot and hazy conditions are going to continue through Thursday, and then more showers and storms marching into the region after the 2 o'clock time frame. Notice, though, most of these storms will stay across the high country. Notice on Friday morning, we've got actually those north winds spilling in across the eastern plains. That is where that front's going to start to pull through. So Thursday night into Friday, you're likely going to be waking up with a little bit more cloud cover and some cooling conditions as that north wind spills in across the area, and that will trigger some showers and thunderstorms for us by the afternoon hours and some heavy rain across the eastern plains. So we will look for a bit of a pattern change by Friday afternoon. Temperatures going from the 80s in Woodland Park and then down into the 70s for Friday and Saturday. Now, thunderstorms are still going to be likely into the weekend time frame, but not quite as widespread, just isolated activity. And notice here the cool down that will be persistent through the weekend, and even areas into Pueblo go from the 90s on Wednesday and then down into the 80s on Friday and heading into the upcoming weekend. So not only are we going to return to closer to seasonal for this time of year, some areas may be trending at or below average in terms of temperatures for Saturday and Sunday. I don't think anybody's going to be complaining about that. I mean, if you are, shoot, write me an email and tell me. I commend you for enduring the heat, but we probably couldn't be longtime friends, that's for sure.
You never know.
Never know.
Yeah. Mary, thank you.